Wala raw nakikita sa ngayon ang ombudsman na aksyon ni Vice President Sara Duterte na dapat imbestigahan. Ayon kay Ombudsman Samuel Martires, may buwelta rin siya sa opisyal ng Justice Department na nagsasabing dapat disiplinahin ng ombudsman ang vice-presidente.
As far as we are concerned right now, we have not seen any acts of the Vice President that we should investigate. Well, we do not find anything that is in violation of one, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, of any of the offenses in the Revised Penal Code that is in relation to the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Sabi ni Martires, kung ipipilit raw ni Andres na mag-imbestiga na rin ng ombudsman,
I would advise Josec Andres to shut up, to stop talking about the case, because one of the powers of the ombudsman is to take over the investigation of a case of any government investigative agency at any stage of the proceedings.
pinaalala ni Martires kay Andres ang nakasaad sa Section 15 ng Republic Act 6770 o Ombudsman Act of 1989 na may kapangyarihan ng ombudsman na imbestigahan at kasuhan ang kahit sinong public officer, empleyado, tanggapan o ahensya at maaari nitong i-take over ang investigasyon ng anumang ahensya ng gobyerno.
Kasi halimbawa ngayon, she's being investigated for ETA, anti-terror law, and grave threats.
Yeah.
Pag ganun pong nature ng investigation, can you take over?
If we find that the grave threats is committed in relation to office, are these grave threats done in relation to the performance of her duties as Vice President? If not, that would be personal. And we have no jurisdiction over these things.
Ayon kay Ombudsman Martires, bukod sa investigasyon na gagawin ng NBI at DOJ, pwede ring i-take over ng Ombudsman ang investigasyong ginagawa ng Kamara kay Vice President Duterte. Iniimbestigahan ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability ang paggamit ni VP Sara ng 650 million pesos na confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President at Department of Education.
We feel that we have jurisdiction over these cases. We can request Congress to please stop and we'll take over the investigation of the case. We can do that, but as a matter of courtesy, we belong to different departments, branch of government. As a matter of courtesy, we'll tell Congress.